Hi everyone. Today I am going to teach you class 8th SST chapter 1 How, When and Where. Topic 6 Administration produces records. Okay. So the British believed that the act of writing is very important. Means everything should be written. Everything should be recorded or written. Okay. British kept Britishers kept everything in a written record, like every instructions, plans, policies, decision, agreement, investigation, etc. Okay, they kept everything in a written record because they believed that once this was done, then things can be properly studied and debated, and we could know where to improve. Okay, after that, they prepared memos, notings, and reports. So, what is the meaning of memos? Memos means report or files, and noting means brief record. Okay. After that, the British felt that all important documents and letters prepared, but for preserving these documents, we need a safe place. Okay, we need a safe place. Because of that, they set up a record room and attached it in every administrative institution. These institutions were Tehsildar office, commissioner's office, provincial's collectorate office, provincial secretariat office, law court office. Okay, all had their record rooms. With this, they established specialized institution like archive and museum. Okay, they are keeping the record in archive and museum. Okay, in that they preserved and kept important records. After that, letter and memos that moved from one branch of the administration to another in the 19th century. Okay, still we can read these letters and memos. Okay, memos means reports. Okay, because all these things preserved in archives. Okay, see this picture, archives. Okay, and this is museum. Okay, in the early year of the 19th century, these documents were carefully copied out and beautifully written by calligraphists. Calligraphy means those who have a very good handwriting, decorative handwriting, neat and clean handwriting. In short, art of beautiful writing is called calligraphy, and those who writing it is called calligraphist. By the middle of the 19th century, when printing press invented, multiple copies of these records were printed and kept it in a safe government department. Okay, understood? So, with this, I wrap my words. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.